Hey, and welcome to Next. In this tutorial, I'll show you how the team library works and how you can use shared assets in your creatives. Let's get started. When you click on the Team Library tab at the top of the platform, you'll be taken to the library view. Here you can see all the files your team has uploaded, along with any folders that help keep things organized. From this view, you can add new files, either by dragging them in or choosing files from your computer. You can also create folders. Rename your files, move them between folders, or delete any files and folders you no longer need. This is the main place where your team manages shared assets, making it easy to keep everything organized and accessible for everyone. When you open a creative, you'll see the team library right next to the regular asset library. The asset library contains only the files uploaded for that specific creative, but by switching to the Team Library tab, you get instant access to all the shared assets your team has added. This means you don't need to upload the same logos, CTA buttons, videos, or brand elements each time. You can simply browse the Team Library and drag any file directly into your creative. And if you need to add something new while you're building your ad, you can also upload new files directly from this view. You can also add asset library files to the Team Library if you need. And that's it. Now you know how to manage, organize, and use shared assets with the NEXD Team Library. If you need any help, feel free to reach out using the chat icon in the bottom right-hand corner or send an email to support@next.com.